Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana Jolie, and as you can see, I'm showing you guys off this fresh makeup beat that I have on. This is my new 2021 natural go-to makeup look, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved it. So if that's something you guys are interested in watching, then just continue watching. Let's get into it. So to start off, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and I'm just going to be combing out my brows, and then I'm going to be taking the brush side of my, eyebrow brush, and I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows with that. And that's basically it. I'm just going to do a regular, schmegular eyebrow, and, that's the drill. Next up, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12, and I'm going to be shaping up my eyebrows, making sure they're nice and sharp in the way that I like them. And I feel like this shade is perfect to line up my eyebrows because it's kind of similar to my actual skin tone, so it's just gonna blend in together, and it's all gonna look good. As you can see after this clip, my eyebrows are gonna be nice and sharp. So right here, my eyebrows are looking like this, nice and sharp, you feel me? Now I'm just blending in the concealer into my skin to make sure that I'm getting rid of those harsh lines that I have on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using the same concealer shade that I used before. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12, and I'm going to be priming my eyes. And I'm not applying any eyeshadow today because this is going to be a natural makeup look, so no eyeshadow. That's why I'm just applying the same concealer shade that matches my skin tone. I'm going to be setting the concealer on my eyes with the Beautybyjoliee Flower Powder in the shade Yellow, I believe. And I'm going to be just patting that onto my eyelids, making sure my eyes are nice and matte. You feel me, honey? Now I'm taking the NYX matte liner, and this is just a black shade, and I'm going to be doing just a slight wing on my eye, and nothing much, and I'm just going to be filling that in, and that's basically it. Just follow along what I'm doing, and as you can see, I'm creating like a small tiny wing, not too noticeable. It's nice and perfect for this look. Here I'm just taking some mascara that I got from a beauty supply store, and I'm just going to be prepping my eyes for the false lashes. I'm going to be putting on some lash samples that I got from my up-and-coming business, Dreams by Jolie. And these are just samples. They're not going to be on my site. I'm just testing them out to see if I like the quality, but I'm just applying these lashes on, and I feel like these are perfect for my natural beat today. Like, y'all, look how pretty and flattering these make my eyes look. Like, it looks so girly. I'm in love with these lashes. I'm taking the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and as you can see, oh my god, that spilled, like, what the heck. But anyway, I'm going to be priming my face to prepare for that foundation. So as you can see, I'm trying this method. I'm just, like, dripping it all over my face. And I'm just going to be taking my hands, and I'm going to be just rubbing it into my skin, making my skin nice and smooth for that foundation. I'm taking my all-time favorite foundation. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Burkina, or 310. So as you can see, I'm taking my Beautybyjoliee blending sponge, and I'm just going to be patting the foundation right into my skin to make sure this comes out very flawless and full coverage and smooth on my face. Even though this is a natural look, I still like full coverage foundation. So this is really my all-time favorite foundation. I love it. Very full coverage. You don't even need to apply a lot. Like, you can apply 3 drops and it just covers your whole face. I love this foundation. A1. Now I'm taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 15, and I'm going to be highlighting underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and I'm just going to be blending that in with the same Beautybyjoliee sponge that I used earlier. And you know, you get the drill. I'm going to be highlighting my eyes, making sure my under eye is nice and bright. And again, this is supposed to be a natural look, but it's not so natural. As you can see by the title, this is like a not so natural, but it's a natural at the same time. That's why I'm like being extra. Like, this is 2021. Like, I'm trying to be beat today, so you know, that's why I'm being so extra with my under eye, because this is like hella bright. Right here, I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm taking that shade on the far left, and I'm going to be contouring my nose. And as you can see, I was like kind of shocked because that shit was really, really rough on my nose. So I had to just like tone it out with my powder sponge. And also, I think it's the brush I used. I used like a rough brush. It wasn't meant for contouring. So I used a fluffier brush, and I fixed that, and I just contoured my nose. So as you can see right here, I took a fluffier brush and I made the contour look nice and more smooth and airbrushed. And y'all, I like how, you know, the contour I'm doing for my nose, it looks like I'm snatching my nose, but at the same time it's natural. So my nose doesn't look skinny like a skeleton or nothing, but it's still like a natural snatch. Like, I love it. And right here, I'm just mattifying my nose with the same Beautybyjoliee flower powder, the yellow shade, and just buffing that off. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge by Beautybyjoliee again, and I'm just going to be patting the same powder right into my skin, just to make sure my skin is nice and, you know, airbrush. I'm trying to look really flawless today because it's 2021. This is my first beat of the year, and I'm trying to look good. So, you know, full coverage it is. Like, whatever.
On some new shit, everything in between. I'm out here, I'm getting stupid. I'm done being exclusive, and you know the truth is that
y'all, I had this powder for going on 3 years now, so don't judge me, but I'm just taking it and applying it all over the rest of my face to make sure the rest of my face is nice and matte. Here, I'm taking the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray, and I'm going to be setting my skin. And guys, this feels so good on my face, y'all. It feels so good on my face. Now I'm taking the Draw Cosmetics highlight in the shade Grace, and I'm going to be just highlighting my cheekbones, the point of my nose, and that's about it. I'm not doing too much. Y'all, this glow is so blinding. I'm just highly obsessed. Like, look at that glow on my cheeks. Like, what even? Like, this looks so good on my skin. Oh my god. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX lip liner, and I forgot what shade this is, but I will be linking it in the description below. So I'm just going to be lining my lips. I love dark lip liners, y'all. Like, I'm obsessed with dark lip liners. Like, right here, I am highly feeling myself. Like, no question. Last step of the process, I'm going to be taking the NK Beauty lip gel, and I'm going to be applying that in the center of my lips. And of course, I'm going to be smacking my lips together to make sure I'm creating that ombre effect, because that's my goal there. Like, that's my favorite type of lip look to do, like when I have heavy lip liner and just a light lip, like lipstick in the middle, and I just create that ombre effect. Like, y'all, I'm terrible at explaining things, but as you can see, I'm trying to create that ombre brown lip look. Like, it's very pretty. But y'all, that is the finished look, y'all. So as you can see, I'm very happy with how this look came out. This is my first beat of 2021. I'm smiling, I look good. My hair's done. I did a zigzag part. I don't know if y'all peeped that, but I just feel really good today. Yeah, this is my finished look. So if y'all like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get like 10K subscribers. I'm trying to jump it. Like by the end of the year, I want to have 10K subscribers. By the end of the year, I do want to have 10K subscribers. I'm not even playing. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time I upload a video. And that's basically all I have to say. Like, comment, subscribe.
See my hair? Sit. Put my hair in the camera real quick.
Yo, get out of here. Come here.
Don't touch the hair.
Anyway.
You see? You're on my good side.
Move! You're blocking my damn video.
On my good side.
How am I blocking you? You're like invading my shit.
You're in my video.
Get out of here.
This is my video. It's called Beautybyjoliee.
Get out.
Beautybyjoliee. Get it?
Man.
Y'all just mad.
My edges are messed up because the
didn't have
foundation
any.
covered. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
She's lying.
Bye, guys.
She's lying.
Get out. Wait, seriously. Like, this is my outro.
You didn't even have an outro.
That's all yeah, for my Jolie channel, this is what I say all the time. That's all I gotta say. Have a blessed day.
What's your outro?
Stop talking. Bye.
Mom, you said what?
That's all I gotta say. And that's all I gotta say. Have a blessed day. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.